Good morning, yogis. We're just warming up and getting ready for our next sequence. This one's going to be a creative sequence, and there's been a request for some standing poses. So that's what we're going to do. We'll meet in downward facing dog. Walk your dog out right to left. Enjoy the sensation. So take your time as you pedal out so that you can feel heel, ball, and toe at the same time. And we'll come back to center. Inhale the right leg up towards the sky. And bring the right leg through to the top of the mat. The left foot will meet the right. Inhale, lengthening. And exhale, folding. Inhale, sweep your arms up nice and high. And then exhale, swan dive. Inhale, lengthen. On the exhale, bring your right leg back. Bring the left leg back. Here we are, high plank. Exhale, low plank. Inhale, upward facing dog. So we're just going to do a bit of a hold in the up dog. I always feel like this pose is like a toll booth pose, but we really could use the front body stretch. So whether your legs are down or your legs are engaged, the choice is yours. The idea is to really feel the chest starting to open up. And then we'll exhale, downward facing dog. We're going to do one more of that sequence. So this time we're going to inhale the left leg up. The left leg's going to come through to the top. And feel that back leg being stimulated. And the right foot will meet the left. Inhale, lengthening. Exhale, folding. Inhale, sweep the arms up. Exhale, swan dive. Inhale, lengthen. The right leg will come back. The left leg will meet it. High plank. Exhale, low plank. Inhale, upward facing dog. And exhale, downward facing dog. Walk your dog out. We're going to move into the warrior series. So we'll inhale the right leg towards the sky. Bring the right leg through to the top of the mat, warrior one. The back foot's going to be at a 45-degree angle as we inhale our arms up. We'll come into eagle arms. So the right arm will go underneath the left. And you'll cross at the wrist. Palms will touch. Now, draw your forearms towards the front of your mat so your scapulas separate. And then find a back bend. Take your arms up over your head. Let your hips go towards the floor at the same time, and everybody's gonna breathe. We'll lean forward so that the right shoulder is in line with the right knee. Let the elbows go towards the floor. Don't let your chest go so low that the tailbone's higher. Focus more on lowering the tailbone towards the floor. Make the back leg work hard for you. The right arm will come down and the left arm will go up. We'll take a big breath in and a big breath out. Allow that upper arm to go towards the front of the room. And we'll Skandasana towards the back of the mat. And Skandasana is when you're resting on the ball of your foot and your hands can be at prayer or they can also be down on the ground at the same time. We'll let the hands come down to the mat. Take a big inhale. Externally rotate at the right leg. Now walk your fingertips towards the front of the mat at the same time. And as your fingertips go towards the front of your mat, keep your left leg turned out. Put a little bend in your right knee. There you go. You'll start to feel your weight move more forward. Now come up off of the heel of your left foot. Move forward into Anjaneyasana, lowering the left knee down to the ground, and you'll sweep your arms up towards the sky. In through the nose and out. The hands will come down to the mat, and we'll straighten the front leg. Flex the foot, press the heel into the mat. Lean forward back into the right foot. Grab the edges of the mat. Tuck the chin into the chest. Walk your hands back even further as you come up into a back bend. You start at the pelvic bowl, the rib cage, the collarbone, until you reach all the way up towards the sky. We'll inhale the arms back up towards the sky. Again, the hands will come to prayer at the center of the chest. The left elbow will come in contact of the right knee. The left hand will come down to the inside of the right foot, and the right arm will come up. Reach back with the right arm and grab the foot. Find the back bend here, so you'll grab below the big toe by about 2 inches. And then kick the foot away from you. See if you can get the chest to go up towards the sky while the hips sink towards the floor. Maybe you drop your head back a little bit more. We'll release the back foot. Bring the right arm back up towards the sky. Bring it to the inside of the right leg. Engage your back leg. Take a big breath in. Draw the right leg back to high plank. Exhale, low plank. Move all the way down onto your belly. Reach back with your hands. Pull your heels in, floor bow. Again, grabbing below the big toe. Kick your shins so they go towards the back of the room, and your feet will reach up towards the sky. Your head can be stimulated, or you can keep it relaxed. The choice is yours. The idea is, again, to continue to find the stretch through the front body. And we will slowly release. Releasing the feet, bringing the hands down. We'll extend them out to our sides to push ourselves back, child's pose. Now in this child's pose, I'm going to introduce turbo dog. So engage the balls of your feet for fire toes and then sit back. You'll lift your knees up off the ground as Sarah is demonstrating. You're pretty low to the ground. One more big breath here. And you'll straighten your legs by bringing your tailbone up towards the sky and then descend your heels towards the floor. Big breath in. The left leg will come up towards the sky. We'll bring the left leg through to the top of the mat, warrior one. As you sweep your arms up, allow your tailbone to continue to descend. You want the right leg to be strong and solid. We'll extend our arms out to our side for eagle arms. The left arm will go underneath the right, where the wrist will cross and will touch the palms. Your forearms will go towards the front of the room. Your hands will be away from your face as much as possible. Then we'll reach up towards the sky with our arms. Drop our hips towards the floor. Stretch into it. We'll descend the arms down towards the floor, where the left shoulder and the left knee will meet. Now soften the hips so they go closer to the floor. Your left hand will come down, and the right arm will go up. Keep drawing your left hip back, and that will help you create some space. Allow the upper arm to go towards the front of your mat where the palm will be down. The right hand will come down to the mat. We'll skandasana so that we go all the way towards the right foot. So this gives you a different angle, how the foot is really elevated up off of the ground and you're using your core. The left leg is strong. And as we release the hands down to the mat, it's almost like down dog arms. Keep working on externally rotating the front leg so that that hip opens up. And we'll walk our fingertips towards the top of the mat. So we're flanking, an old retail term, the left leg. There is a slight bend in the left leg. What that does is it softens the pelvic bowl. You might be able to see that. We start to elevate ourselves off of the back heel where the weight will come into the front leg. We will meet in Anjaneyasana where the right knee is down on the ground. And we'll sweep our arms up towards the sky. And you're sinking into the right thigh. As the hands will come to prayer at the center of the chest. The right elbow will come in contact with the knee. The right hand will go to the inside of the left foot. The upper arm reaches up towards the sky. Find the opening in the front of the chest. We'll reach back with that arm and grab the heel of the right foot. You can grab below the big toe by about 2 inches and then find the kick. You'll release the foot. Bring that arm up and over. Place it to the inside of the left foot. Engage your right leg. Allow the hips to elevate high enough so you'll be able to clear the left foot with little effort as possible as you slide it back. A beautiful demonstration. We'll come forward into high plank. Exhale into low plank. Inhale into upward facing dog. Maybe in this up dog, your thighs are off the ground this time. Remember to roll your forearms in towards each other so that you're not putting any unnecessary pressure on the elbow joint. And we'll come into downward facing dog. A big breath in and a big breath out. We'll lower the knees down to the ground. We'll sit back onto our heels for child's pose. And allow your forehead to come in contact with the mat. And we'll use this connection to create some clear insight. And your breath can be strong or subtle. The choice is yours. It really depends upon what it is that you need in this moment. And from here, we will roll up one vertebra at a time. And we'll take a comfortable seat on our mats. Drawing our attention inward. And we'll bring our hands to prayer at the center of the chest. Grateful for this new day, its beauty and its light, and a chance to begin again. May we all be freed from yesterday's limitations, and today may we be reborn. Shanti, 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 peace, peace, peace. From my heart to yours, namaste. May you have a great day. Thank you, thank you, thank you.